how you pay using Ggives in Lazada. So if you want to pay using Ggives in Lazada, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Lazada application. Once you open the application, you just need simply go with your cart, which will be on the bottom. After picking the items, you can check out the product and it will reach you to the payment section. Now from the payment section, you need to select GCash. You need to enter GCash as your payment method. After that, go with place order, which will be on the bottom of your screen. A prompt will appear asking you to link your Lazada account to your GCash account. To do this, you need to enter your mobile number in the given field and then hit the next or continue. You will receive an OTP, a one-time password, from the GCash. So enter that code, confirm the action, and then you need to input your GCash PIN to proceed. Once that's done, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between your Lazada and GCash accounts. After linking them, head back to the Lazada app. Now that your accounts are connected, select GCash as your payment option. When you're ready to check out, you will be directed to a page where you can choose how you would like to pay. If you have GCash or GCredit enabled, simply select the GCash or GCredit and complete the checkout. In this way, you'll be able to pay using Ggives in Lazada. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.